Hi Taurus, I'm Alex Sigel, the Master of Runes. I will ask the runes what you can do to achieve your current goal or solve your current problem. Also, in the end of the video, I will teach you how you can use a personalized runic amulet for your success. Keep in mind, this is a general reading, so not everything will resonate personally with you. So what this reading is about? This reading is about desire for change, desire for something new, desire for a transformation. So to achieve it, you should be able to remove obstacles from your life, remove something that is holding you back, like make a cleanse, and stop being attached to things those you are holding for too long. Those are long past due to be removed from your life, so that the new energy can come into your life. Now, what do you actually want? You actually want is the wholeness, the completeness, the fulfillment, and being fully self-reliant and independent and strong in your own being. So if there are things those are preventing you from being like that, consider how you could cleanse your life from these things. How you can clean up your mental space, your emotional and your physical space from those things. Those are preventing you from feeling more fulfilled and more complete and more strong and stable in your ability to hold off any external influences those might be hindering your path. Now, how do you achieve that? The advice from the runes is something related to movement, either your ability to move around, your ability to change places, to change spaces, to change informational, mental, emotional spaces, or something related to a vehicle, to your physical ability to transport yourself around this world. So perhaps if you are looking for a change that will make you more fulfilled, consider adding some kind of a movement, some kind of a dynamic thing into your life, perhaps looking for a new place to live, or a new city, or a new country, or just perhaps consider rethinking your beliefs, rethinking your worldview, and adopting some new, more efficient beliefs and dismantling the lesser efficient beliefs. Those all are affecting your life in such a way, traveling to a new place inside of you that will manifest in changes in the external world. Now, the rune for you is the rune Lagus, a rune of the water element, a rune of gentle positive emotions, and a rune of a uninterrupted flow of things, flow of events, a rune of consistent effort. So if you are looking for more fulfillment, for more stability in your life, perhaps the way for you is to add a little bit more dynamism into your life. A little bit more movement, a little bit more flowing, like a river. Also, you can use this rune symbol directly by drawing it on the left side of your body or visualizing it and asking it for help. So I wish you luck in your path, in your change, in your transformation, and I hope it brings you to a more fulfilled place. Thank you for your attention.